Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make Peshawari Chapli Kebabs. So starting off, we have a bowl of chicken mince. This is 750 grams and this is nice and fresh. To this we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt or as per your taste, along with 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Now adding in half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and a quarter of teaspoon of crushed ajwain. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of crushed coriander seeds and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Also add in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste along with 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Next I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of anardana. You can use the powder if you like also, but this gives it a nice texture. I'm also adding in 1 medium-sized tomato chopped up into nice cubes and 1 tablespoon of chopped chilies. For a nice look and nice fragrance, I'm adding in mint and coriander leaves and then gonna crack in 1 egg and give this a nice mix. You can wear a glove if you like, or you could do this with a spoon, or you could just go in with your hands. You want to make sure that all of these spices are mixed in with the mince and your vegetables and ingredients are nicely combined. Try to squeeze the mince through your fingers so that you can make sure that all of the spices are fully incorporated. And then once this is mixed, we're going to leave this, we're going to cover it with a lid and leave this on the side. Once this has been sat there for a while, we're going to put oil on our hands to lubricate them to allow the mince to form nice shapes. And then grab a handful of the mince, roll it into a ball shape in your hands and pressing this nicely, and then flatten it out on the palm of your hand until you get your nice desired shape of a kebab. So as you can see friends, here I'm just tapping it and patting it, folding the edges nicely and then placing this on a plate. And once I have all of my kebabs ready, I'm gonna shallow fry these on a pan with some oil in on medium flame and make sure that they are nice and golden on each side before flipping them. You want to cook these for about 5 minutes on each side, making sure that the sides are fully covered with the oil, and you can also splash some on the top of the kebabs with a spoon. Now that my kebabs are golden and crispy on one side, I'm going to flip these over carefully to avoid splashing any oil on myself. So we're going to cook these for a further 5 to 6 minutes before taking them out on a plate. You can see here they are nice, cooked thoroughly. They are golden and crispy on each side and look absolutely delicious. This is our final look of our Peshawari Chapli Kebabs. They look really tasty. They look golden, crispy. We can see all of our ingredients inside. Please make sure you try these friends and let me know how they went for you. Please like, comment and share my video and come back to this channel for more. I really hope you liked this recipe and enjoyed this recipe and will enjoy it once you make it. Stay tuned for more delicious recipes. Until next time friends, bye!